gangster, you know, we do that better than anybody.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, fuck with me and get crossed later. The future.
Hello, Tita Ril Eden. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless and take care. Thank you so much for the love and support po sa Team Sky. Love you po.
Happy birthday, Ate Eden. I wish good health and more birthdays to come. Sana po marami ka pang matutulungan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Rial Eden. Wishing you all the best. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and hope we meet someday. Happy birthday!
Hi po, ayan, happy birthday po, Ma'am Ril Eden. Ayan, Mami, maraming salamat sa pagtulong mo. Ngayong may cancer ako, ayan, maraming salamat kasi nakilala ko po kayo, ang Team Kasiyahan. At syempre po, nakilala ko po na sa amin ni Founder Jeff. Happy birthday, Mami. Ang napakaganda at napaka-blooming palagi si Mami Eden. Lagi ko nga sinasabi sa'yo pag nagvi-video call tayo na ang ganda mo talaga, Mami Eden. Siguro nung dalaga ka, madami nagkagusto sa'yo. And gusto ko po yung personality nyo na napaka-ano nyo po, genuine na tao. Hindi po kayo yung namamlastic na tao, yung sasabihin nyo po yung gusto nyo sabihin. Makasakit man kayo ng damdamin, at least totoo po kayo. Mas maganda po yung ganun kaysa po yung nagsasalita po kayo sa pag nakatalikod na po yung tao. Ayan, maraming salamat po, Mami Eden, and happy 6th monthsary po sa Team Kasiyahan, at sana more anniversary or mansary to come, and maraming salamat kasi isa po ako sa nakasama sa Team Kasiyahan. Napaka-grateful ko po kasi isa po kayo sa mga nakilala ko, Mami Real Eden, and happy birthday po. Ano man ang mangyari, nandito lang po ako. Wala man po akong financial na may bibigay, nandito po ako handang suportahan po kayo, ang buong Team Kasiyahan. Maraming salamat po. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Real Eden, at happy 6th mansary Team Kasiyahan. Salamat po, Sir Jeff, Nanay Eritz. Bye-bye po.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Real Eden. May you wish all the best and bless you. And thank you to support our team, Sky, Team Berador. Maraming salamat ho, and especially sa ating Berador, Jeff Esteban. Thank you po. Happy birthday. May you have more birthday to come. We love you. Mwah, chup chup.
Hi friend, Real Eden, I love you. Happy birthday. You're my friend forever and ever and ever. Thank you. Nakakilala tayo dahil sa ating alagang pasaway. Happy 6 months sa ating team Kasiyahan. Ang team na masaya, bawal ang malungkot, bawal ang iyakin. Happy 6 months to all. I love you, Mua. I love you, Real Eden.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Real Eden. More birthdays to come. Wishing you a good health. Stay safe. God bless you always. Love you.
Hello then. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my dearest friend. Very sexy and sweet friend. Miss Real Eden, happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best. Alam ko, you are very successful in your life. At ako ay nagpapasalamat sa iyo na naging friend kita. Thanks to God na nakilala kita kasi sobrang bait mo, very humble. Wala akong masabi. Alam mo, pinapatunayan mo lang sa apelyido na you're very real. Kasi Real Eden, totoong-totoo ka. Totoong-totoo na sa pagkatao mo. So, lagi ko lang hinihiling, ingatan ka ni Lord. Always keep on safe. Basta, wala akong masabi sa iyo. Thank you so much and happy birthday. God bless you then, and more birthdays to come. Thank you, Eden, Rhea.
Admiral Eden, happy and a blessed birthday to you. Wish you all the best, good health, and more birthday celebrate to come. God bless.
Hello, good afternoon sa inyo lahat, mga Team Berador, Team Kasiyahan. Ako po ay bumabati kay Mami Admin Eden sa kanyang kaarawan. Happy birthday, Mami Eden. More blessing. Sana, lagi kang malusog at humabaw pang iyong buhay para mas marami ka pang matutulungan, Mami Eden. Happy birthday, Mami Eden. Thank you sa Team Berador at Team Kasiyahan ang pagkakataong ito na makabati ako kay Mami Eden. Mami Eden, happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye!
Hello, Ma'am Real Eden. Happy birthday po. I wish you a good health. I hope your special day will bring you a lot of happiness, love and fun you deserve them a lot. Enjoy. God bless you always. Be happy. Enjoy your birthday. Ingat po kayo palagi, ma'am. Love you po.
Hello everyone. Happy birthday. A special mention to Ate Real Eden. Stay beautiful, Ate Eden. Sana is pagpalain ka pa ng Panginoon at many years to come, more candles to blow. Enjoy lang ang buhay natin, Ate Eden. And to all team Kasiyan forever and ever, happy 6-month anniversary, especially to our founder Jeff Esteban, to all admin followed by the members. Still cool lang tayo, guys, para happy lang tayo. We love you, Ate Eden.
Love to everyone. Happy birthday to Ma'am Real Eden. Wishing you a very beautiful day with a good health and happiness forever. Stay generous and kind. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come and more blessings to come. Enjoy your day and God bless you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Real Eden. Good health always, many years come. Love you, love you. Love you, love you.
Yung kay Brian.
God bless. Ingat ka dyan, Sis Eden. Thank you.
Ayun, hello po Ma'am Real Eden. Ayun, binabati po kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan po. At naway marami ka pa pong kaarawang dumating. At wish ko sa'yo na sana ibigyan ka pa ng isang malakas na pangangatawan at masigla. At siyempre, ilayo sa anumang mga karamdaman. Ayun, so mag-iingat po kayo palagi at i-enjoy niyo po yung araw na ito. So ayun po, happy birthday again, March Marasigan TV po. Ayun, ingat po kayo palagi and wish you all the best. God bless.
Hello everyone and mega love shout out. This is Nihay's vlog and I just want to greet a happiest birthday kay Tita Real Eden. Ayan, happy birthday sa iyo and I hope magiging fruitful ang iyong birthday celebration. Ayan, and sana lahat ng mga wishes mo matupad and stay pretty, gorgeous. Ayan, and stay safe always, good health, and ayan, sana enjoy mo lang yung celebration mo. And thank you so much for being a kind-hearted person. Thank you so much for being generous and lovable to all of us. Ayan, no? So, ayan, enjoy mo lang yung celebration mo and always remember, age is just a number. Ayan po. So, sobrang thank you sa lahat ng pagmamahal at suportang binibigay mo sa aming lahat ng mga biradors. And, ayan, just enjoy life at sana more blessings to come and to share dahil alam ko napakalaki ng puso mo para tumulong. Ayan, so thank you so much for always being good to us and enjoy the celebration. Happy birthday and more birthdays to come. I love you.
Hello Tita Real Eden. Ayan, gusto po kitang batiin ng happy birthday po sa'yo at nawa po ay pagbutihin pa po ng Panginoon ang inyong kalusugan at bigyan pa po kayo ng masaganang biyaya sa mga susunod na inyong kaarawan at sa mga darating na panahon pa. Nawa po Tita Real Eden ay marami pa po tayong pagsamahan at mahaba pa ang ating pagsamahan dito sa industriyang ito. Nawa po ay lubos po ako nagpapasalamat na nakilala ko po kayo at isa po kayo sa tinetreasure ko sa aking puso't kaluluwa. Ay, maraming salamat po Tita Real Eden sa inyong walang sawang suporta at pagmamahal, especially po sa aking pamilya Tita Real Eden, and God bless you more and mabuhay po kayo and I love you in behalf of my family and my kids. Happy birthday and we love you so much. Ayan, ingat po kayo palagi dyan and see you soon. See you in a bit. Ayan, malapit na. Ayan, happy birthday once again, Tita Real Eden. Love you, love you. Mwah!
Good morning, Manang. Ayan, ngayon pong araw ay ang iyong tinatawag na this is your day. Ayan, happy 69 birthday. Ayan, Manang ko, Real Eden. Sana po marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyong buhay. Ayan, malayo sa anumang uri ng kapahamakan. Ayan, stay strong. Alam ko naman po yan. And maraming salamat po yan sa patuloy na pag-support po. Ayan, lalo na po sa akin. And sa mga kasibahan kong birador, ayan, salamat din po sa suporta niyo po sa kanya. Napakabuti po ng inyong puso. Napakabait. Talagang wala kaming masabi. Sobra kaming saludo sa Manang ko. Lalo na po ako. Once again, happy birthday po. And happy 69 birthday. At sana nga marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyong buhay. At sana po someday, ayan, magkita-kita na rin po tayo. Ayan. Once again, Manang, happy 69 birthday. Ingat po palagi dyan sa Las Vegas. Ayan, God bless and more blessings to come. Ayan, happy birthday po ulit. Uulit-ulitin ko. Ayan, ang happy birthday. Ayan. Ingat po dyan. Love you, Manang ko. Happy birthday again. Ingat and bye-bye.
Gangster, you know, we do that better than anybody. I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where those cowards going. Well, all you still down, nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting motherfuckers